Hello my friends, welcome to this short video in which I will show you how to use this mini guide on the side of the circular saw. The cut you will see in this video is the original cut that I used for making this Happy Hour TV1 sign, and by the way, don't hesitate to watch the very nice video about the Happy Hour TV1 approach. My channel will enable you to get free of all the limitations that you are fixing yourself without knowing it, and change your life for a better planet and for more happiness. Let's go! There is this little option which you can remove. It's like a little ruler, and you put it like this, and then you can adjust, and once you have the right length, you close this little screw here, which will stabilize the hole. As long as you have boards which have the original cut, which are straight, I think this is quite usual, even if professionals are not a super fan of this little ruler. For putting in place this little ruler, you take the reference of the cut. This is a 90-degree cut, so this is here. And then you place the ruler at the right distance, and we are lucky because the blade is a bit in the back, so you can still check if it's well aligned. So here it's okay. I'm closing. Just a little warning, be very careful about how you're cutting, because you may cut on the side here, meaning you keep the line on the piece, or you cut in the middle, or you cut on the right. Because don't forget that the blade has a certain thickness itself, so this, if you're not careful, might be missing on the piece you want to take. That's it my friends, this is the end of this video. Professionals usually are not using this mini guide, usually also because they have a guide which is provided with a machine. But as usual here on Happy Hour TV1, we make it frugal, so don't need to buy thousands of things. I have nevertheless a very good and cheap solution for reaching perfectly straight cut in using a spare board as a guide. So see you in a minute on Happy Hour TV1.